Yeah, it's a fantastic place to hang out. और हम सभी एक्टर्स के फेवरेट जॉइंट है. और एक्चुअली आई टू शूट हियर डाउन सिनेविस्टा स्टूडियो. और
शूट किया हमने.
आते जाते वी यूज्ड टू कम डाउन हियर एंड जस्ट चिल. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे हमने आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर पवित्र रिश्ता ऑल्सो एंड दैट टाइम वी शूट हियर इन साकिनाका. तो यहाँ पे भी काफ़ी शूट हमने किया है और शूटिंग का मज़ा लिया और ऑफकोर्स वाइंडिंग अप का भी मज़ा लिया है. इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक प्लेस टू हैंग आउट. और रोहित है, बहुत बहुत बधाई. 3 साल सक्सेसफुली पूरे किए हैं एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द लक. एंड ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ो और आई होप कि ऐसे ही उसके और लाउंजेस बढ़ते रहें मुंबई में. थैंक यू.
ओके, गुड इवनिंग. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है इस कन्वर्सेशन में. रूमर्स लॉन्च है, काफ़ी जाना माना मुंबई का लॉन्च है और उसकी 3rd एनिवर्सरी का ये फंक्शन है. आप ज्वाइन होकर आप कितना
It's a very nice feeling. It's a very good place. Yeah. I love the place. Still, I have to go
It's
inside.
a very pleasant environment inside, what I've heard. But yeah, like the kind of people inside, it's like a good place and good crowd.
ओके, कितनी बार आप पसंद करते हैं चिल आउट करना, खासतौर पर रूमर्स ऐसे इतने शानदार लॉन्च में आप चिल आउट करना?
I think once in a week. Once in a week.
We actually love it every day. But then इतना time नहीं है हम लोग के पास कि we come out and all. But yeah, once upon a time when we get time, we chill out.
देखा जाए आमतौर की जिंदगी में स्ट्रेस काफ़ी ज़्यादा रहता है. कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है चिल करना आपके नज़र में?
यार बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है क्योंकि डेली शूट करके 9 to 9 की शिफ्ट करने के बाद कुछ तो एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए.
ओके,
So it's very important. It's very important to chill out. वो माइंड फ्रेश रखता है एंड वी कैन गो एंड शूट प्रॉपर्ली. बट देन वो होता नहीं है हमेशा. सो व्हेनेवर वी गेट टाइम वी गो देयर.
हाल ही में आपकी कुछ सीरियल्स भी टेलीविजन स्क्रीन पर दिखाई दी और हमने ये सुना है टीवी की दुनिया से उठकर आप सिल्वर स्क्रीन पर दिखाई देने वाले हैं. इस इतने बड़े ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन या ट्रांजिशन के बारे में जानना चाहिए.
यार एक्चुअली वी आर डूइंग अ शो कॉल्ड बड़ो बहू राइट नाउ. It's coming on the NTV 9:30 p.m. It's a very good show, very beautiful show, and she's playing my wife in it. और we are
It's a
number
very
one.
interesting
Yeah.
show and it's like coming number 1. It's TRP's number 1 on Ant TV. So hopefully if you all see, you all will like it. And हमारा character बड़ा interesting सा and attractive सा है. So I'll always request every one of you all to watch बड़ो बहू and watch Rana and Pinky on बड़ो बहू.
हमने ये भी सुना है कि you are going to feature in a very upcoming big film of Rajamouli. So could you just let
I'm doing a film with Rajamouli sir, and it's almost completed, and it's gonna be released next month, Jan. And the name of the movie is Valli. It's a beautiful science fiction. It's a good movie. Plus 3-4 more projects I'm doing down south.
We wish all the best for your movie and it should be successful, big successful hit.
Okay. So what kind of potential do you see in that particular movie? What kind of potential do you see in that particular film? क्या बाहुबली जैसा भी कमाल कर पाएगी?
नहीं, बाहुबली जैसा तो कमाल नहीं कर पाई. बाहुबली बहुत बड़े बजट की फिल्म थी और वैसी फिल्में बहुत जल्दी नहीं बनती है. But it's a very beautiful story is different. Bahubali was totally an action drama, and this one is a science fiction, but a beautiful script, beautiful direction, everything was super.
तो इसमें क्या अंतर आप देख सकते हैं? कितना अंतर रहेगा इस फिल्म में? टीवी राजामौली साहब का फिल्म.
Actually, both are different cinemas, you know. Bahubali was completely different, and this one is completely different. Bahubali was completely action, and this one is it's a science fiction. So it's all CG work and beautiful graphics, beautiful storyline.
अगर राजामौली साहब को आप डिस्क्राइब करना चाहेंगे तो किस तरह?
He's a fantastic director, yeah. In Bollywood also, everyone wants to work with him, you know. His working style absolutely is very passionate about his work.
ओके, तो लास्ट क्वेश्चन आ मैं काफ़ी लोगों से भी पूछ रहा हूँ, आपसे भी पूछ रहा हूँ कि टीवी और बिग स्क्रीन फिल्म का दायरा कितना बड़ा है?
लेकिन पहले ये हुआ करता था कि टीवी को काफ़ी छोटा समझा जाता था, लेकिन आज ऐसा नहीं है। एक्चुअली टीवी इज़ अ वेरी बिग मीडियम। आज अगर आप टीवी करते हैं तो आपको मतलब यू आर एवरीवेयर, यू नो, हर घर में आपको जाना जाता है, आप कहीं से भी गुजरो आपको लोग पहचानते हैं। सो टीवी नाउअडेज टीवी इज़ अ वेरी बिग इंडस्ट्री है।
राहुल, anything you want to कहना चाहेंगे?
Go inside. पार्टी करेंगे अभी.
Try to talk with you. I'm great. आपको भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका इस कन्वर्सेशन में। रात का समय है, लेकिन थोड़ी सी मायूसी थी, लेकिन आपके आने से 4 साल हो चुका है। क्या कहना
Okay, so before I came here, I'm really upset. But when I see him, I get really happy. अब मैं क्या करूं? ये भाई लोग को मिलके खुशी मिलती है.
Okay, the rumor law is celebrating its third anniversary. What do you say about it?
I think celebrities should appreciate promoters. You know, it's because of these guys we are here. So you should start appreciating it. I like dancing to the stuff though. But ये आप उनका भाई है. And Bright Media, Yogesh Lakhani. I do love you. I do love you.
All love him, huh?
We all do love him, right? He's a crazy Gujarati, but we love him.
We all
Yeah.
हम तो in our daily life we often suffer from stress. So how do you relieve your stress?
Okay, this is the best thing about Bombay. I had a few NRIs over, and they said, "How do you guys party all the time?" I said, "Listen, जब ऐसे भाई होते ना, तो it makes sense, right? You can die at home alone, or you can come out and have some fun. And when these guys, these are my brothers, yeah. So when they launch something, I'm with them, and this is the place to be, yo."
Yeah, it's a place to be. और अगर आप हो और 4 लाइन अगर ना हो तो बहुत अधूरा है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है। आपके जुबान से आप
4 लाइन
चार
रखेंगे.
सब-
4 लाइन,
4 लाइन
4 लाइन, 4 बज गए, लेकिन
पार्टी अभी बाकी है.
तल्ली गिर गए, लेकिन
पार्टी अभी बाकी
मेरे
है.
डैडी है नाराज, लेकिन
पार्टी अभी बाकी है.
पार्टी हो गई तो आफ्टर पार्टी अभी बाकी है. भाई अब उनके बिना कोई पार्टी नहीं होती, समझ आया? थैंक यू. आंटी ओल्ड हो रही है, but there is no party without me.
Rude launch was always one of the most favorite because the choice of their music and the hospitality and the ambience is entirely different from all the launches which we go usually. So mine and her favorite is Rude.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, so we try to. It's like a detour also. You can come out and enjoy, and then it's a good kind of drive, a small drive which you can enjoy while going out. So, memorable. I got a movie which I'm doing right now through Rude Launch because my director traced me here, which is Hum Dono Honge Kamyab, which is going to be released in April. So I met the director here, Vishal Mishra. He was here, he was partying here, and so it has been really lucky for me. Yeah, quite lucky place for me. In that, the movie is Kanpur based, so we shot in Kanpur, the whole movie, and I'm playing a Kanpur guy who's good in Kanpur dialect, but has a tendency to look out for girls, you know, and he's a hardcore fan of Dharampaji and so many other things, and it's a comedy. That's why it's called Hum Dono Honge Kamyab. Alia and me go long back, like 5 years.
Long
and,
back, actually.
And we have a different. We are soul.
Connection, actually.
Yeah, we are soul
We are
friends.
best buddy. We are best buddy. Anything I have to ask something, advice, Gaurav is the person actually.
Yeah, and
And he answer me.
she's my 3 a.m. friend. Whenever I'm in need, she's like a dawn. You know, she's
Dawn,
a strong support. She is a strong shoulder.
Yeah. I'm not much party animal though, because my timings doesn't allow me to attend such things more. But whenever I get time, I like to come to Root Lounge. Fun.
Oh my
Clubs
god.
are really important because in Mumbai mostly we don't have anything else to do. We have very small recreation places and movies
We got
also.
a small group, you know.
Yeah.
If you want to chill out, we actually go with few friends, and this is the best place to come because we stay in Lokhandwala. And if you want to go out somewhere where we don't want to see, where we don't want to face our old friends, you know, we come here. It's the best place to come here and chill.
Yeah, yeah. So we get a change also, and I told you why it's so lucky for me. It's amazing. It's happening, and hardcore is rocking the party. You know, I must say that. I must add. You must also add.
Yeah, oh my God, I'm
because
having
of
a
hardcore, it's becoming
Hilarious
a hilarious
time, yo.
party. Yeah, we're having a great time.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so much.
Rahman. Yeah, God bless you.